Cooking is an art, and just like an artist needs the right brushes and colors, a home chef needs high-quality cookware to bring their culinary visions to life. This Amazon Basics 11-piece ceramic non-stick pots and pans set promises to deliver just that, an affordable, versatile, and reliable cookware set designed for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike. In this in-depth review, we'll dive into every detail, feature, and benefit of this cookware set so you can decide whether it's the perfect addition to your kitchen arsenal. The set is engineered with a ceramic non-stick coating that ensures food releases effortlessly, promoting healthier cooking with minimal oil. It's made without harmful chemicals such as PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium, making it a safe choice for your family. Key features and benefits. 1. Ceramic non-stick coating. One of the standout features of this set is its ceramic non-stick interior. Unlike traditional non-stick coatings, ceramic is free of harmful chemicals, ensuring a healthier cooking environment. Whether you're flipping pancakes or simmering a sauce, the non-stick surface allows for effortless food release, reducing the need for excessive oil or butter. Cleanup becomes a breeze, as food residue simply slides off with a quick rinse. 2. Versatile cooking applications. This 11-piece set is designed to handle every type of meal, from breakfast omelets to hearty dinners. Its variety of pot and pan sizes ensures you'll always have the right tool for the job. The inclusion of a steamer insert is a thoughtful touch, allowing you to explore healthier cooking techniques like steaming vegetables or seafood. 3. Heat distribution and durability. The aluminum body of the cookware ensures even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots that could burn food. This feature is especially useful when cooking delicate dishes that require precise temperature control. Additionally, the aluminum construction offers long-lasting durability, making this set a reliable investment for years to come. 4. Black silicone polyester exterior. The black silicone polyester exterior not only adds a sleek and modern look to your kitchen, but also makes cleaning the outside of the cookware effortless. A damp cloth is often enough to keep it spotless, saving you time and effort. Number 5. Tempered glass lids. The set's lids are crafted from tempered glass, allowing you to monitor your food as it cooks without lifting the lid and releasing heat. This feature enhances cooking efficiency while locking in moisture and flavor. 6. Safety features. Safety is a priority in this cookware set. Its non-toxic construction ensures no harmful chemicals leach into your food. Moreover, the ergonomic handles remain cool to the touch, minimizing the risk of burns during use. 7. Dishwasher and oven safe. Cleaning up after a meal is often the least enjoyable part of cooking. Fortunately, this cookware set is dishwasher safe, allowing for hassle-free maintenance. Additionally, the pots and pans are oven safe up to 177 Kelvin (350 degrees Fahrenheit), giving you the flexibility to start a dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven. What we love about the Amazon Basics cookware set. 1. Affordability. At its price point, this set offers exceptional value without compromising on quality. 2. Eco-friendly design. The use of ceramic coating reflects a commitment to sustainability and health-conscious cooking. 3. Wide range of applications. From simple weekday dinners to elaborate holiday feasts, this set has you covered. 4. Attractive aesthetic. The black and cream color scheme is modern and elegant, blending seamlessly with most kitchen designs. 5. Ease of use. The lightweight construction and ergonomic design make cooking enjoyable and stress-free. Who is this cookware set for? This cookware set is perfect for home cooks. Whether you're just starting your cooking journey or you're an experienced chef, this set offers versatility and ease of use. Small families. The variety of sizes makes it suitable for cooking meals for 1 to 4 people. Health-conscious individuals. The non-stick ceramic coating reduces the need for excess oil, supporting healthier cooking practices. Budget-conscious shoppers. If you're looking for a high-quality cookware set that doesn't break the bank, this is an excellent choice. Final verdict. The Amazon Basics 11-piece ceramic non-stick pots and pans set is an outstanding option for anyone seeking affordable, versatile, and reliable cookware. Its combination of functionality, durability, and health-conscious design makes it a standout choice in the world of kitchen essentials. With its user-friendly features and stylish design, it's a must-have for any home chef looking to upgrade their cooking experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.